So I want to know why your coffee is different from every other coffee.
I don't know if it's so unique to be honest, but like coffee is not really our focus.
Yeah.
So we're not like a coffee shop. We're more
Yeah.
focused on coffee.
On the food. What's your best-selling food that I can taste?
Crunchy chicken bone is like our best seller.
Bestseller.
Yeah.
Let me taste your bestseller then. This is the moment when you are not hungry, but because the food looks so good, I'm hungry now. Bro, looks so good as well, bro. In Germany, this is 25 cents. I'm taking my money.